Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how to make money trading cryptocurrency coin, either on Bybit or in any other exchange. So follow me from the beginning of this very video to the end, so that you will be able to understand how really the strategy we're going to use to make this money on Bybit. Okay, so we'll start by investing $100 today and let's see the return. Let's go. Okay, so let's dive into it to see what happens now if I invested $100 into Peppercoin. I see the market crash though, but I see a lot of opportunity. I see a huge opportunity. Market is full of red, yes, but I see full opportunity. What if I invest 100 USDT into Peppercoin or any of those coin of my choice? You can make your choice as well. You mustn't invest in my particular own coin. Okay, so what if I invested $100 into Peppercoin? Then I can see how much will it now become. So in a nutshell, we're going to look at how to make money on Bybit, investing in Peppercoin, investing $100 in Peppercoin. So all you just need to do is to subscribe to this channel, like these videos, and as well share these videos so that a lot of people can gain value from it. This is the right time. We must share video for people to see and also for them to be able to invest on and make rational profit as well. So we're going to dive into this Peppercoin quickly. So after diving into this Peppercoin, we're going to look at it carefully and make our own purchase ourselves. Okay, and make our own purchase ourselves. So without a waste of time, you can see where currently the value is. You can see it falls a lot. You can see how it was in the past few days. You can see the decline it got. Wow. Since this Peppercoin became reasonable, I've never seen this kind of pullback. This pullback was actually tough. Okay, so imagine we bought it from here. It would have been a great opportunity, but catching it up from there will be very difficult. Okay, so let's see where it fell from. You can see where it actually pulled back from. Okay, it fell from 0.12345500974, 0.50974. That's where it fell from, and this is the current value of Peppercoin. All right, so let's see if we can invest like 100 USD into this. Okay, let's see if we can invest 100 USD into this, right? Okay, let's say we click on buy. As you all know, you always click on buy. If you click on buy, then in this place you're going to impute your 100 USD here. Okay, and do not forget the take profit and stop loss. They are very important. They are very important, so you must take note of them. Okay, you must actually take note of this. They are very important. Okay, so when you invest your 100 USD, you're going to click on this place to click on buy. So after you click on buy, it's going to actually give you some review. Okay, it will give you some review. So after seeing the review, all you just need to do is to click on confirm to buy. Okay, I've made a video on how to buy and sell. I think the video is available there, and there are a lot of things. Okay, so I'll share the video link at the descriptive sections of this very video as well, so that you can see and also know what exactly is going on for those who are complete new, the complete beginners. Okay, so you can see, let's starts doing the investing like $100 into this, I will get 14, I will get 147,928,099 naira, 99 99. Okay, this is what actually I'm gonna going to get with this 100 USD. Okay, that's what actually I'm going to get. Okay, let's say if I invest this 100 USD, investing this 100 USD, I will get, this. Okay, investing 100 USD, I will get this at the value of this. Okay, at the value of this. So let me quickly hold on to this value given to me. I'll first copy it so that we can see if it got back to where it was coming from or to where it declined from. How much exactly are we going to make? Let's quickly do that for ourselves. Okay, all right, then we can now come to this place now to click on sell. If we're going to click on sell, we're going to click on sell at the rate of what? At the rate of 975. Okay, what is the quantity? We're going to place the quantity here. Place the quantity. You can see if it goes back to where it was coming from, we'll make 144.2 instantly. We'll make 144.2 USD instantly. Okay, on occasion that it returns today. Okay, what if you invest 500? You can see you're gonna go. So the more now you invest, the more you will make a profit. Okay, the more you invest, the more you will make profit. All right, so this is the right time for you to invest. Yes, the market is declining. Yes, the market is very bad, but this is the right time for you to seize the opportunity. Okay, this is the right time for you to seize the opportunity. Yes, that is the truth about this whole crypto thing. If it falls, a lot of buyer fight back. Okay, that's what actually we're going to do now. We're going to go into like a fight back in order for what so to reinstate the previous price. Okay, so this is what actually you stand to make when you make an investment of 100 USD into this particular cryptocurrency coin known as Pepcoin. Okay, so if you are getting value from this amazing content, do what to subscribe, like the video, share the video as well. If you're getting value from it, let me know at the comment sections. Let me know if you're getting value from this. Okay, let me know if you're getting value from this so that we can actually understand that yes, somebody is gaining value from this. And if you invested, also let me know at the descriptive section so that we can see that yes, someone is being communicated and someone has invested on it. All right, you can see where the movement is. Let's go back to the 15 minutes to see where the movement is. It's actually struggling. Okay, it's actually struggling. So this is what exactly happened when you invest 100 USDT now into Pepcoin. This is what actually happened. You're going to make a huge turnout profit. And again, it depends on how much you invest. A lot of people are investing 1,000 USD and above. Okay,